Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Oxford Reading Tree Stage 1. There are 6 books in Stage 1. First we are going to read the book Who Is It? In this book there is a kind of introduction of the characters. There are only shadows of the characters. Who is it? Who is it? Behind the curtain. This is Biff and Chip. This one is Chip. Mum and Kipper. Mum and Kipper. Floppy. Floppy, a dog. And a spaceman. Spaceman Khlabaz. No, it's Dad. So behind the curtain, the shadow looks like a spaceman, but in real, it's Dad. It is Dad, not a spaceman. So in this story, a child is able to learn the words like, what is it? And spelling A-N-D, and. Is. It. Mum. Dad. Biff. No. And some more challenging words. What is this? No. Who. Spellings W-H-O. Who. Who is used for question. Chip. Kipper. Floppy. Spaceman. Who is spaceman? A person who goes into space. Do you want to become a spaceman?
Yes.
Okay. Now you recognize the characters. Biff. Can you tell me who is it?
Biff.
Okay. This one is Biff and this is Chip. Biff and Chip. Okay. Who is at the next page? Who is she? Mum and Kipper. Who is it?
Floppy.
It's a Floppy. Floppy is a dog. It's an animal. And who is he?
Spaceman.
Spaceman. Is it a real spaceman?
No.
In shadow, it looks like a spaceman, but in real, it's not a spaceman. It is Dad. Did you notice one thing here? Look. Chip make his hand like a dog. With his hand, he made a face of dog. Can you make like this? There are some questions. Do you think the shadow game was a good game?
Yes.
Yes, you like this game? What did you like about it? A spaceman?
Yes.
Okay, Dad becomes a spaceman. Ask your child to explain how Dad made himself look like a spaceman.
He have so many dress. He
tied so many dresses, so many cloths around himself. He put a bowl
on his head. And he round wheeling his pipe in his mouth.
And there he took a pipe in his mouth. So he looks like his getup was like a spaceman. So here you can see Dad looks like a spaceman. Here you can see Dad is getting ready. Dad is making preparations to become a spaceman. There is a thing that he will put in his neck. There are some cloths. In this page, he become a spaceman. Now you recognize the characters well?
Yes.
Do you remember all these characters?
Yes.
Okay. In this book, Who Is It? Everyone makes shadow. Everyone makes a shadow. Please subscribe the channel and like the video.